Welcome back, my amazing and wonderful subscribers and viewers. Welcome to Grandma Esohe's cooking channel. I hope you will like the next cooking video you are going to view now. Enjoy and always practice one or two of them. And please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you. Enjoy. Hello, my viewers. How are you all doing? Our menu today is garden egg and spinach sauce. Here you see the garden egg put in water to cook a little bit, and then our spinach we also blanch it in hot water to soften it to half cooked spinach. And this sauce is very nutritious. You can use it to eat rice, or you can use it to eat unripe plantain or semi-ripe plantain. So when this is blanched, when the spinach is blanched, you're going to run cold water into it and squeeze out the liquid. And then the parboiled garden eggs are going to be mashed and kept aside. Then this is our tomato sauce. It's tomatoes. Here we have the tomatoes and also some shrimps and bell pepper with habanero pepper, all blended, and 1 onion blended together. And we put it in, we cook it. Then we add our spices. Here I have thyme, curry, and bouillon. Then we also add I also added mushrooms in there. My fish is already added as well. Some cinnamon in it as well. And then we leave it to saute. Then this is the mashed garden eggs. We're putting it now inside the sauce that contains the fish and other ingredients. Salmon fish, that is what I am using right now. So we're going to turn it after we've added it. We stay and cover for a while to simmer. Very easy to cook. If everything is prepped, it's 30 minutes to cook. When it's already everything is already prepped down. Here we are adding the spinach now. The blanched spinach is half cooked already. You can see, so it's not going to stay long on the stove. So you put the spinach in it, and you stir it very well. And then cover for it to simmer for about 6 to 10 minutes. And your garden egg spinach sauce is ready. And then before now, I had parboiled brown Basmati rice. And I served the spinach sauce on the Basmati rice. You see how this sauce is yummy? Have your fish, have shrimps, and have some mushrooms inside. Very nutritious. A lot of vitamins and antioxidants, good for the diabetic, or if you are losing weight. This is, you can even eat it like that. We're adding salt to taste. You taste it for salt, and you stir. So it is cooked now. Just turn in. You leave it, as I said, about 10 minutes to simmer, and then I'll serve it over my brown cooked basmati rice. I cooked the basmati rice using my rice cooker. Yum, yum, yummy. So I hope you try it at home and tell me what you got. Tell me how, comment in the session about your trial. Comment in the comments below about the trial. That's the parboiled brown basmati